So y'all, I done met a pawpaw. I met a pawpaw. I mean, a pawpaw. For real. Somebody granddaddy time granddaddy. He said, your skin. Anyway, he said, can I take you out on a date? And I said, you sure can, honey, because sure ain't. Don't sound right. Just wanted to showcase a few items that I've been using so far and that I really like. So I have the matching set. Target didn't have the matching set today, but they did have the cocoa. Smelled very good. I will try that after I use the other one up. One of the items that I originally came for, Q-tips. I also came for avocado, cottage cheese. Yum, because I want to make some yummy meatless tacos. Grab this corn shell. I like this brand of chips, so why not try the taco shells? Did not come for this. However, we are going to grab one. Why not? All right, so I did see the BGS, the Black Girl Sunscreen. I have been using this as well. It's summertime, you all. It's time to pull out your sunscreen. They have the stick. They also have the spray. Now, this is a lip gloss. So I figured, hey, why not try it? But who needs lip gloss? Who needs SPF on the lips? Hey, why not? I said, let's try it. Make it pop. Now, I have this one here, which is, I've showed you all in previous videos, but I've never seen this one. This is infused with vanilla. I did not get it. However, hey, I want to tell you guys, this is a pretty good product. I've been using it for a couple years in the summertime. Now, they had an array of sunscreen, right? Just like any other store, but I had to get the Black Girl Sunscreen because, yeah, that's what I like. All right, so just a recap of some of the things that we got. I'm getting ready to travel. So we needed some Clorox wipes, and you all seen everything I got. Like I said, it's just a quick recap. All right, so we're at the register. Let's continue to let it play. Okay, guys, so we are finished at Target. A lady walked by. Compliments really can make someone's day. She told me my skin is absolutely gorgeous, and I've been struggling with my skin trying to get it back right, so I needed that. Anyway, we're gonna head home and do the eyebrows. We are getting ready for a vacation, small vacation. Yeah, we're gonna go to Houston for Juneteenth, stay a little longer. I was gonna leave Houston and go to St. Martin. However, I had to cancel because I booked at the wrong airport, and when I looked at a hotel in the area I was going to, it was way too expensive. So we will reschedule. So yeah, so let's do the eyebrows. Feet are already done. Had to get some food. Next couple days, I'm gonna need something just to eat so I don't, I've been cleaning out the refrigerator. So I made some lentils, so we're gonna make lentil tacos, pretty much. So I think I may stop at Bath & Body and see if they're having a sale on their hand soap, the foam soap, because I have completely ran out. So if they're having a sale, we'll get some. If not, we're going straight to the house. All right, I'll see you guys. Another great sale, guys. You too. So y'all, I done met a pawpaw. I met a pawpaw. He was following me in the store. Okay, I wouldn't say he was following me, but he was definitely checking me out. I mean, a pawpaw. For real. Somebody granddaddy time granddaddy. We got these soaps, you guys, back. I don't know how I happen to go to Bath & Body when they are actually having a sale. Don't ask me,
But baby, I time it just right. I don't know how, but y'all seen the ones I got. I got 4. So I got 2 of the kiwi strawberry, or kiwi, what was that? Kiwi, sweet kiwi and star fruit. We got mango papaya, and then I love colors, so. And then we got Viva Brazil. All right, I love colors. So we got 4 of those, 1 for each bathroom, and then in the kitchen. Then I stopped in Walmart. That's how I met the pawpaw. So I had to get some alcohol because I put it in my, for hand sanitizer, I just use alcohol. It's way less expensive. And then I had to get some wipes for the bathroom. Baby, and honey, pawpaw, honey, I wasn't paying no mind to pawpaw. And then I was going one way, and then I seen pawpaw, and then I seen pawpaw again, honey. And I looked, and he smiled, and I said, and then I kept going. And then I got by the register, and Pawpaw was right there, honey. And Pawpaw smiled again. And I smiled at Pawpaw. I said, how you doing? He said, your skin is absolute beautiful. Make a long story short, Pawpaw's wife died 3 years ago. And he said he ain't been with nobody since. I said, oh, Pawpaw. Anyway, he said, can I take you out on a date? And I said, you sure can, honey, because sure ain't. Don't sound right. Okay guys, we are back home, so let's do these brows. Let's show you guys what I use. I use Nair, and then I just use this little like Smashbox brush. And then after that, I'm going to try this sun gloss for lips, the Black Girl Sunscreen BGS, and then the bronzing Pure Gold drops. For some reason, I think I tried this before and it broke my skin out. But I can't remember. I'm almost sure, but not 90. I'm not 100% sure. So I'm gonna try it. Let's do these brows. Okay guys, so brows are now cleaned up. And we are going to try the Make It Pop Sun Gloss by Black Girl Sunscreen. Couldn't even say the name. By Black Girl Sunscreen. It's SP30. No, this is 50. Yeah, SPF 50. Alright, so let's try it. It's called Clear Skies. SKYES. Probably hard for you guys to see, but let's see. I just did a lip scrub, so make sure that my lips are completely clean. Who would have ever thought you need an SPF for your lips? You really don't. But since it's a Black Girl product, I decided to try it. Ooh, it's got a nice shine. Cutesy cutesy. Very, very, very velvety for sure. So we'll be keeping this. Hydrate and plump. Okay, now I don't know about the plump now. And then we're gonna try this the bronzing drops. Looks, for some reason, I'm telling you, I think I had this. See, I could see my skin. Hold on. All right, so this is what it looks like. And then let's just kind of rub it in. I'm trying to look in the mirror too. Hold on, y'all. Supposed to be, let's see how much my skin will glow. And I'm gonna keep it on to see if my skin breaks out. Well, you have to see, you gotta really like put it in there because you definitely don't want a mismatch. I mean, I just want to see. I definitely look bronzed. Kind of a yellowy orange. We'll see. So as opposed to my skin here, if y'all can see, and then the bronze. I'll let you guys know how the products work. So I came back right quick to tell y'all I took it off. Within 5 minutes, I started to see little bumps come up. So I am 100% correct now. This broke me out. So I did take it back months ago. Y'all see those little bumps? Like, let's see if y'all can see that. I seen one come right here, one come here, and then one come here. So, and then 2 right there. So this is a no for me. My skin is super sensitive. All right, so now we're going to make ourselves a taco. We're gonna put cottage cheese because it's extra protein. It says 19 grams. Of course, you would have to have the whole thing, so we'll do like half. Lentils that I made the other day, so this is protein. All right. Guacamole. Let's try it. Definitely something I can get used to. Cottage cheese mix is different. Instead of adding sour cream, we have cottage cheese because protein. Pretty good. Well, we have enough for dinner later, so honestly, this video is done. It's been fun, but your girl is done. Bye, guys. See you guys. The next time I see you guys, it'll be my little suitcase probably rolling out the door.